Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 33. Joins with duplicates, nulls and zeros in the data.
In this session, we are going to discuss about the joins with duplicates, nulls and zeros in the data. Before getting into this scenario, we'll just look into different joins available in SQL Server database. Coming to the inner join returns only rows that have matching values in both tables. Left join returns all rows from the left table and matched rows from the right table, null if no match. Right join returns all rows from the right table and matched rows from the left table, null if no match. Full auto join return all rows when there is a match in one of the tables, nulls for no matches. To look into this scenario, we have created two tables. One is students table and another one is course table. Students table is having student ID, integer is the data type, and the courses table is having courses ID with data type integer, and we are inserting the data into students and courses with the values having duplicates, zeros and nulls in the data. Let's see these things practically in SSMS. We are at SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, and we are in demo at GKey database, and here we are going to create two tables and inserting the data into these two tables. Let's execute these statements. Here we are creating students and courses with the student ID and courses ID and the data that we are inserting. For students table, we have inserted 9 rows, and for courses table, we have inserted 8 rows. Let's see the data in the tables. And this is the data. Here we are having nulls and 4 as a duplicate value. In the courses also we are having nulls, zeros and duplicate values like 5. Let's see the different joins are here. First we'll see the inner join. What inner join will do? It will display all the matching records from both the tables. It ignore nulls if you have nulls in the table. Why? Because null equal to something is normal, because null is not equal to anything. In such a scenario, inner join ignores null values. It only displays the matching values apart from the null values. Let's execute this inner query. Click inner join query. We are getting 0, 0, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 0, 0. Zeros are the duplicated values and 4s are the duplicated values, and this is the only value which is one time it has repeated in the both table, and in such a way it has given 5 records. And coming to the left join, okay, what is left join? Left join all students match courses. That means left side table all records will be displayed and matching records from the courses table, and unmatched it will show null values. Let's execute this query and see. Here for student ID 1 and 2 there is no matching record, that's why it has given null values, and it has taken all the values from the left table, that means all rows, and it has given null values. In such a way it has given the output. The output is like 9 rows it has displayed. Coming to the right join. We are executing it. Here it is displaying 10 records. For example, for 5, 4, 4, 6 these are not available in 5, 5, 6 is not available in student and there is no matches. For those values it has given null values, and remaining all the records displays from right table and matching records, and for no matches it has given nulls. In such a way it has given 10 records of right table for this data. And coming to the full outer join, what it will do? It will display all values from right and left tables, and there is no matches for them. It has given null values. In such a way, it has given 14 records. In real time, to answer this question quickly, first we have to get into the inner join. Once you get into the inner join, you have to remember one thing: if there are nulls in the table, inner join doesn't treat them as a value. Why? Because null equal to something is nothing. We can't compare null with anything. Okay, in such a way, it only give the matching records. Here, ignoring two null values, 0 also considered as a value. In such a way, it has given 5 matching records. Here, we are getting inner join plus left side left out records. That is 5 plus 4 are the records from the left table. And coming to the right inner join, that is 5 plus 5 from the right table. And coming to this full outer join, inner join plus left side left out records plus right side left out records. That means 5 plus 4 plus 5. The output will be 14. In such a way also you can calculate the records. Here you have to remember one thing, that while comparing in the inner join, the nulls are not going to be treated as the count. Why? Because null cannot be compared with anything. In such a way, inner join cannot take them. Whereas left join first will display left side values, and it get the matching values from the right table and gives null for no matches. In the same way, right join also, it displays right tables values first and it search for the matching values. If there is no matches, then it will give null values. In these two scenarios, nulls also counted by, because it will display left side and right side. Coming to the full outer also, it will consider first inner join and left and right. That means left table, right table, and matching records, unmatched record nulls will show. In this scenario also, nulls will be considered, they will be taken. Okay, in only inner join concept, nulls are going to be treated, they are not equal anymore. This is the tricky question. Most of the interviewers are trying to ask and test your knowledge on joins. I think you people got some idea on the joins when you get a scenario like a data with duplicates, nulls and zeros. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.